one being about Jumia, the other one being about Valentine's Day, and how I started my own personal brand in Kenya. So without further ado, we're gonna get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, and so today I want to give you guys a few updates.
I'm going to show you my store and what makes my store stand out from the rest, and also show you guys how to do product research from Amazon.com. So right now I'm on Jumia, just scrolling around, and I'm having a look at these shoes. I might buy them. Anyways, let me just log into my seller center and tell you what I mean. So we're at my seller center right now. Let's see if I have some orders. It's very important for you to frequently check your seller center and also see for any new updates. Oops, I got no orders. But yeah, like this is free marketing. I don't have to spend anything for marketing. People will come with the intention of buying, and my seller score looks good so far, 4.9 I think. Yeah, so these are the products. This is my back page, and you can see I have like 5 out stock products there. So now look at this is a product I sell on my page for 19.99, and somebody sells this for 9.99. And I'll show you guys what makes my product stands out from the rest of the products that are out there. And the main thing that really you have to sell people on is the description. Like you have to tell them what is really, you have to educate them. Like, so this is my store, these are the products I sell, and they're in order of the top products that are being bought. Yeah, so you can see my products are actually very diverse and they're really cool. Like I'm not stuck to one specific niche. And so this is the Amazon Fire Stick. As you can see, I have a few reviews there, and I'm actually eating for that specific one. So how do I get this? How do I get winning products? I usually go to Amazon.com and find products with a lot of reviews. So that means they're being bought somewhere else. People are definitely going to buy them here. And one thing I can tell you is just try looking at my product descriptions and compare them to other people's product descriptions. And you can see here, somebody's selling it. You see, there are very many on Jumia, but I still manage to make sales. Somebody's selling it for 74.99. I'm actually selling it for around I think, is it 14.99 something? Yeah, let's have a look at it. Let's just have a look at it. I'm gonna try to compare. I'm selling it for 14.899, almost twice the price. Now, what makes me stand out from this person's description, and this is basically the same product, but my description is just off the list, man. My description is just amazing. Like, just if you just read through my description, you'll fall in love with it. Like, I tell you all the features it has, what you can do with it, and it's not hard finding these descriptions. Like, you just go do your good research, you'll find them. I found this on the internet. Just do your research and you find these products. Like, it's always there. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You just have to just tune the wheel to your niche, to your kind of people. Now I want to show you guys how to find products to sell on Jumia, like products that people buy. Don't just list their dumb products, like some wax shoes, and you expect people to buy, and you be asking why aren't people buying them. No, like for someone to buy a product, it has to have like a factor. It has to solve a problem for them. It has to be unique. It has to be innovative. Like these certain factors you have to put into consideration. So I usually just come to Amazon and browse. As you can see, I go to a certain niche that I'm interested in and dive in deep into the products. Then I look through them. Then I look at the ones with the lots of reviews. If they have a lot of reviews, that means people are buying. And I even go further and read the reviews. What are people saying about this product? Is it amazing? Do they like it? How do they use it? And you see, yeah, that's how easy it is. So that's one way you can use Amazon to do your product research, and make sure you write winning product research. and sure enough, you'll be on your way to an
So guys, I'm gonna be leaving Jumia for a while now because first of all, the number of returns is just tripling from the last time. Like we had like 4 different returns, and all these items that have been returned, only one that had sold for the first time. The rest had sold. I've sold more than 8 pieces of the same product. And the most annoying part is, this is after 4 weeks. The customers even opened the item, they've used it, and then decide to return it. Um, and I haven't got a reason why it was returned. Like Jumia doesn't give people reasons why to return. So you see, if I had one-on-one interaction with the customer and ask him why did he return, I would be able to understand why he did this. But now you see, if I cannot understand the problem, how will I try to solve it next time? Like how will I try to solve it? Like I'll still be in the dark. So that's not a good thing. That's one of the reasons I'll be leaving Jumia for a while. And the other one is Jumia charges a lot of penalties and fines. They charge a lot of penalties and fines. But I understand this because I know a customer at the end of the day places an order, and if it's out of stock, they feel disappointed. But you see, at the end of the day, they'll get back their money. It's not like you're keeping their money from them. So why does Jumia have to fine the seller? Like if an order gets cancelled that is out of stock in my store and the customer doesn't receive it, Jumia will reduce my seller's score to like 2.5 to like 3.5. And then if I make a sale in the next order, they will deduct the money. Like I'll show you guys where they deducted like a lot of money. They deducted a couple of money like for my own product sales. Like I can say I've lost around 3,000. Penalty charges, bro. That's 30 $30 is a lot of money, to be honest. And like the next one I'd like to focus on you guys is creating your own personal store. Like I created my own personal store online, and it's called Blackboards. Um, it's called Blackboards. Let me just show you guys how it looks here. So now the best thing about having your own brand is that you control everything. You basically control the products you sell. You control you have control over the shipping. You have control over your customers. Like, you can get in touch with them. You can literally access them directly. Like, let me show you guys here. I have a few orders. So on Valentine's Day, I ran a campaign. First time running my own campaign on my own store, and okay, this is the front page of my personal store, the one called blackpots.shop, where this is how it looks. So it doesn't look as slick as Shopify, because they have themes and are really advanced, but you can still do something good. Like, this is it here. Section for gifts for her, gifts for him, new stuff. Then the blog section, featured in M-Pesa, where you can submit in your address. And it's very important for you to have like your insurance policy, your shipping, your terms and conditions in case customers have issues. At the same time, you have an issue, you can actually directly contact me. This is very important for your customers to be able to reach you. Yeah. So now for the Valentine's Day updates, what I did on Valentine's Day was I ran a campaign for a rose teddy bear. I already created a
Project is I want to sell these pet products. People love their pets, and this product is a new 2021 product, and it has both a water dispenser and a place where you put the food for the pets. So I think it's really a cool product, so I'm going to start creating a brand out of it, around it. And then I'm going to go ahead and use Instagram influencers, because I already have a couple of Instagram influencers saved that I've used in my previous campaigns, and I've gotten like 2 sales using 2 influencers. So I'll start with them, because if you get a sale with one, that means it's a credible source, and you can always go back and yeah, do the same ad. So I have like an Instagram list. Like, this is PDF file of the top 3,000 Instagram influencers. This list is actually very old right now. These pages, if they still exist, some of